If your husband never listens to you, you could be making these 9 common mistakes. You've tried explaining your feelings, making suggestions, even dropping hints, but it seems like your husband just doesn't listen. You may feel frustrated, unheard, or even disrespected. While it's easy to assume the problem lies entirely with him, it's important to take a step back and consider whether your approach to communication might be contributing to the disconnect. The truth is, communication is rarely perfect, and misunderstandings happen in every relationship. But the good news is that with small adjustments, you can make significant improvements. Here are 9 common mistakes that might be standing in the way of your husband listening to you, and practical ways to fix them. 1. Talking to him when it's not a good time. Timing is everything. You might have the most important issue to discuss, but if your husband is distracted, tired, or stressed, your words might not get through. Approaching him during a football game, while he's focused on work, or when he's hungry could lead to frustration on both sides. The fix. Ask for the right time. A simple, "Is this a good moment to talk?" can work wonders. If it's not, suggest a time that works for both of you and make sure you follow through. Additionally, minimize distractions like TV or phones and choose a calm, private environment for serious discussions. 2. Being vague, saying too much, or getting off topic. Have you ever started a conversation only to realize you're rambling or losing track of your main point? If you're unclear or unfocused, your husband might zone out, not because he doesn't care, but because he's struggling to follow. The fix. Before you speak, clarify what you want to say. Jot down a few key points if necessary, and stick to them during the conversation. Be concise and avoid overloading him with details. Importantly, pause between points to give him time to process and respond. This keeps the conversation balanced and productive. 3. Using "you" statements that put him on the defensive. Nobody likes feeling blamed, and phrases like "you never listen" or "you always do this" can make your husband shut down. These statements often come across as attacks, even if that's not your intention. The fix. Switch to "I" statements, which focus on your feelings and needs rather than his perceived shortcomings. For example, instead of saying, "You never help around the house," try, "I feel overwhelmed when the chores pile up. Can we share the responsibilities more evenly?" This approach is less confrontational and encourages collaboration rather than defensiveness. 4. Not paying attention to him because you're too focused on your own points. When you're eager to make your point, it's easy to overlook what your partner is saying. But failing to listen to him sends the message that his perspective doesn't matter, which can discourage him from engaging fully. The fix. Practice active listening. Show interest in his words by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and asking clarifying questions. Acknowledge his points before steering the conversation back to your own. This not only helps him feel heard, but also fosters a more open and constructive dialogue. 5. Allowing misinterpretations to go unchecked. Miscommunication is one of the most common causes of frustration in relationships. Your husband might hear what you're saying, but interpret it in a completely different way than you intended. The fix. Ask for confirmation. After sharing your thoughts, say something like, "Can you tell me what you understood from that?" This ensures you're both on the same page and gives you the opportunity to clear up any misunderstandings before they escalate. 6. Letting conversations turn into a power struggle. When emotions run high, discussions can devolve into arguments where the goal shifts from understanding to winning. Interruptions, defensiveness, or dismissive comments are signs of a power struggle, and they rarely lead to resolution. The fix. Stay calm and focused. If you sense the conversation becoming combative, take a deep breath and steer it back to the issue at hand. Avoid reacting to provocations and stick to the facts. Remember, the goal is resolution, not victory. 7. Neglecting to reinforce positive listening behaviors. When your husband does listen attentively, do you let him know you appreciate it? Positive reinforcement can encourage him to engage more in future conversations. The fix. Acknowledge his effort. For example, say, "I really appreciate how you listened to me earlier. It made me feel valued." This simple gesture reinforces the behavior and fosters a more supportive dynamic over time. 8. Overlooking nonverbal cues in your own communication. Your words are only part of the message you convey. Body language, tone, and facial expressions can either reinforce your message or contradict it. If your nonverbal cues don't match your words, it can confuse your husband and undermine the conversation. The fix. Be mindful of your tone and body language. If you're discussing something important, maintain open and relaxed posture, use a calm voice, and ensure your facial expressions align with your message. This consistency helps your husband feel more at ease and receptive. 9. Letting him get away with it for the sake of harmony. Avoiding conflict might seem like the easier path, but repeatedly letting things slide can lead to resentment. Over time, you may feel unheard and unimportant in the relationship. The fix. Stand firm on issues that matter. Express your perspective respectfully but assertively, and don't shy away from healthy conflict. While compromise is often necessary, it's important that your needs and opinions are taken seriously. If you feel unsafe speaking up, seek professional support to navigate the situation. Why these mistakes matter. When communication breaks down, it creates a ripple effect in your relationship. Misunderstandings breed frustration, which can lead to distance and resentment. By identifying and addressing these 9 common mistakes, you're taking an important step toward improving not just how you communicate, but also how you connect. Practical steps to improve communication today. Choose a distraction-free time for important conversations. Plan what you want to say and keep it concise. Use "I" statements to express your feelings and needs. Listen actively and acknowledge his perspective. Clarify any misunderstandings before moving forward. Stay calm and avoid turning discussions into arguments. Show appreciation for his effort when he listens well. Align your body language and tone with your message. Speak up when it matters and hold firm on important issues. The payoff. A stronger, healthier relationship. Improving communication isn't about assigning blame. It's about fostering understanding and respect. When both partners feel heard and valued, it strengthens the foundation of the relationship. Take the first step today, because better communication begins with you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.